to talk about what you can do with your right hand in your improvisation of the 12-bar blues. This is going to be really simple. When you're on the 1 chord, so measures 1, 2, 3, 4, and measures 7 and 8, and measures 11 and 12. When you're on the 1 chord, you're going to be in the 1 position. Now what I mean by that is you're going to play scale degree 1, flat 3, 4, flat 5, and 5. Okay, so the easiest way to do that is to find your C minor chord, find your scale degree 4, and scale degree flat 5, which is right between 4 and 5. Now, if you want to grab your 7th, you can. So there's your 7th, okay? Same thing, when you go to your 4, you can progress to. So find your F minor chord, find your scale degree 4, and then find the notes that are right between 4 and 5, your flat 5. And if you'd like to cross over for your lower 7, you certainly can. And then then you go back to 1, and then you can go to 5. Same process, find your 5 minor chord, find scale degree 4, the chromatic note in between, and lowered 7. And then it goes to 4. And then goes to 1. Okay, students, let's try each key first. So let's try improvising off of 1. Those are your 5 notes. I'm going to provide the background, the backtrack to it. And let's improvise 1 for 4 measures. Okay, get your hands ready. And here it is. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did that work out, students? We're going to try it one more time now that you know what is going on. Get your hands ready. You don't have to play that many notes, yeah? One thing about improvisation, some of you who play jazz might know this, you can just do something really interesting rhythmically or in terms of articulation with just 2 notes. So, don't make it too complicated for yourself. Okay, let's try this one more time. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's do the same thing. Let's practice being in 4. Find your notes, find your F minor, find your scale degree 4, find your raised 4, and here's your accompaniment to it. Let's do this for 4 measures, same thing as before. A 1, 2, ready, go. Did that work out, students? Let's try staying in 4 one more time for 4 measures. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Which we've already practiced. So for the sake of efficiency, let's go to 5. Remember, you can cross over for your lowered 7. And we're going to do 4 measures of this also. A 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, we're going to try 5 one more time. Here it is. A 1, 2, ready, go. Then it goes to 4, then it goes to 1. Okay, now the fun begins. I'm going to provide you with a 12-bar blues in the background with my left hand, and I need you to improvise in those various harmonies and be ready for the harmonic change. So this is when having the book in front of you might be really helpful. If you'd like to see the progression, it's on page 167. And I'll try to go a little slower, yeah? And remember, don't make it too complicated. Just improvise off of 1 or 2 notes from those scales. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, here's 1. Measure 2. Measure 3. Oops. 4. Goes to 1. 5, 4, 1. Did it work out, students? If not, let's try it one more time. This time I'm going to vary my left-hand pattern. You might ought to do this for your partner's recording. Here it is, 12-bar blues. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. Goes to 4. 1. 5. Okay, students, let's try one last time, and this time I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm just going to play the open fifths, and some of you might opt to do this for your partners. You improvise and try to stay on top of the harmonic changes. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Measure 5. Okay, students, have fun with that, and you should be receiving a recording from your partner with the left hand so that you can practice it and put it together.